It looks so tall.
It looks so big, but then when you step back, it's like...
It looks huge from the back.
No.
Yeah, it looks huge. Look at this thing.
Nah. All right, good morning.
Morning.
What's so good about it?
On the right side of the dirt.
All right, so what are we doing today?
Axle flip.
We're doing an axle flip.
Yeah, we need more ground clearance.
So we lifted this thing a while back, and now the axle, we just lifted the trailer on the axle tube. So we went from a leaf under to a leaf over. But now, or last year, we were dragging the axle on the ice in the center of the road. From it was a hump from snowmobiles.
Yeah, it's probably a quarter mile long trying to get this thing up to the,
both wheels were spinning. They were off the ground, and it was just sitting on the axle.
So that's why we got stuck. It wasn't the 24 inches of snow.
Yeah, it wasn't that. So what we're going to do to alleviate it for this year, or for the future, is take that drop axle and turn it into a rise axle. Give ourselves some more ground clearance. So we're going to go from a leaf over drop axle to a leaf under rise axle.
See if you can show them what you mean, because it's kind of dark there.
Right there.
Let me see if I can point to it.
Zoom on in. So we got about a 3-inch drop. There we go.
There.
So we got our leaf spring. We'll do a better picture once we pull the wheels off, but we're gonna do a little flipperoonie. So I'm gonna get this thing hitched up to the truck on level ground, so it's not in the dirt, and we'll get to it. Got this thing pulled out. Got her leveled, so had to drop it down on the drop hitch a little bit, but we're generally pretty level on this portion anyways. So coupler is at 19 inches. Frame is at about 17, and then the trailer itself is leveled across. So, I mean, generally.
17.
So 17, 16. Point of reference for when we move it. So about 16. So
the driveway could be off too.
The driveway's definitely off.
Yeah, could definitely be off.
Okay, let's take a look at this axle. So you already see it's pretty high. We did the leaf over last time.
So can you see that?
Yeah. So what do we got height under the axle?
Right around, what, 7 inches there?
7 inches.
Just about
7 inches exactly.
Cool.
And then, so we're going to take the center line of the axle and move it to a leaf over. So we welded on these perches back when we did the leaf over, and they're actually going to get utilized again because we're just going to rotate it and put it on the top. So bolts on the bottom, axle up above, and in theory, we should really gain should be like here. Almost. Measure that.
Yeah.
Measure that point. What is that? 10 inches?
That point? What point?
Where are my
that
fingers?
Point? That point?
Right there.
That's like actually almost 12 inches there.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's actually a lot of ground clearance.
It makes sense because what is this? 5 inches right here?
Center to center, I think it's like 3 or 4.
3 or 4?
Yep.
Oh, center to center, right.
Center to center.
Yeah, I think we're going to gain about 4. I'm going to say, what are you going to say? What are you going to, how
gain?
What are you going to say this is going to be? Right now it's 7. What do you think it's going to be when we're done? Axle to ground.
Axle to ground. Let me see that tape measure. Hang on.
Let's make a little guess.
My guess. So what's your guess?
I say 11. I think we're going to have 11.
11 inches
axle
of ground clearance?
Yeah.
So I'm going to say, I'm going to do the maths.
Do the maths?
About a ½ inch there. So it's going to be a ½ inch. Hey, let's see how this works with.
It's all right.
I think we're going to be at, oh my God, one hand. I think we're going to be at like just 11 and a half.
11 and a half.
11 and a half.
Okay.
Just shy of 12.
All right.
11 and a half. Yeah. That's going to be sweet.
Yeah, it's going to be
The only
great.
thing is the amount of space above the leaf spring. So this was 3.5 inches. Oh, it's going to be fine. It's going to be about an inch of compression. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Where this ends up here.
Oh, when it's too close to the
Yeah.
frame.
Yeah. But it was like that to begin with.
Right.
It only adds about 3/4, not even 3/4 of an inch, a little bit less, because this thickness that'll end up on the top. All right, let's get to it. Let's pull some bolts.
Let's do it. I'll get this wheel off.
Get this rocking. All jacked up. Got this first wheel off.
Check this out.
What did she say?
Me made in China.
Ah.
The brake drum talks in third person.
Ah. That's good.
Me made in China.
Me made in China. Me made in America.
What is that? RA? Probably brand.
Part number
1911?
Now, you've never pulled these off?
Never.
Yeah.
Probably have 12,000 miles, probably.
I've
had
had
this trailer since
That's
2020.
not terrible.
No, it's all highway, though, which is
Yeah,
nice.
it's all, well, arguably good.
Yeah.
Are they? They're not clunking.
No.
Yeah, it's good to check those brakes. Tighten them up, too.
Yeah, I've never checked them.
They never really worked that great.
No, they never did. Even since the day I bought the trailer. I remember pulling out of the dealership, and you always do like a little test bump with the trailer brake controller.
They're hit or miss.
Yeah, and it was weak, and I'm like, that doesn't seem right. And I should have just turned around right then and there, but
They
I
should
was in a
lock
rush
up.
to get home. They should lock up, right?
Yeah.
I cranked it all the way up on the way home, and nothing. I'm like, it was my wife's birthday. That was the problem.
There
I
you
had
go.
to get
There
home.
you go. You had
I to get home.
obligations.
It was bad enough I already picked up a trailer. I stayed away. On her birthday.
Cool. Yeah, this will be good.
Yeah.
Give it a little love.
A little love.
So
Get the
cool.
other side off.
Get this taken apart.
Yeah.
What you doing? What you doing?
Taking off the leaf springs bolts so we can flip this thing.
And we actually
Start here.
left ourselves, because we rewired all the brakes last
Yeah.
time. We actually left ourselves enough slack. So I was able to just cut the zip ties. And we had enough room. And I think we're not going to have to cut and reconnect anything, which is kind of nice.
Pretty fun smell.
Pretty good. We set ourselves up last time.
I'm gonna go get the ratchet.
Yeah, you're going to do it.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
do it like a gentleman?
No, yeah, it's sitting here.
Let me see that thing.
See that thing? You know how to use this thing?
Yeah.
I have a license for that?
It's not my first
I
time.
have a license for that thing.
Yeah, it's going to take forever. Go get the ratchet. Oh, you got the right tools now?
Yeah, I get some speed in this situation.
Oh my god.
Lot more
Next.
better.
Next. Hang on, don't pull that all the way off. Do just the one U-bolt at a time.
Okay.
Because it needs, we don't want it to just drop. Got this one down. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Drop it, put it on a Belgian block, and then we'll work on, it's just the one bolt, one of them, but
Yeah,
let's just pop the front, it's easier.
Okay.
So, but we'll drop the axle completely and then we'll do that. We'll do it all in one swoop.
It's kind of crazy. It makes me think it makes me rethink doing 75 miles an hour with this trailer. Like, look at this. It's not, it's thick, but it's not.
Well, it's cast too,
Right.
so it's heavy
But-
duty, but
Then this thing's loaded at 4,000 pounds doing 75 miles an hour on the expressway, and I hit a bump. That's what's protecting everything inside of my trailer?
yeah, that's why you need a 6,000 pound axle.
Yeah.
Heavy duty, 8 lug.
What you think?
Okay.
Okay. almost
Sweet.
there.
What were you saying we need on this?
We need this one right here. We just need to put another one right here.
Okay, and one behind it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's triple axle.
Yeah. That way you can put, for the nice.
Turn anywhere.
Yeah. That way it doesn't jet. It doesn't get squirrely when you're pushing it backwards.
That's right.
Okay, where are we at here? We got U-bolts disconnected, front leaf springs disconnected. So we actually, I think we're gonna get lucky because, well, I don't want to speak too soon, but we rewired all this and we left the wires nice and long. So if we do one side at a time,
I think we're gonna be good.
I think we'll have enough room and we can just pull it one way or the other and get this thing going. Kind of nice protected. Okay.
I think I'm good.
Yeah, me too.
Yoink.
Are you good with wire too?
Yep. I did not eat my Wheaties this morning. Nope.
I'm pretty much in.
Mine ain't lining up.
It will. It's got to be, you got to smack the thing. I'll help you in a second.
Yeah, I need somebody to push it. It's pretty off, actually.
Oh, careful. All right. It looks a lot taller.
It looks a lot taller.
It's only up 1.5 inches.
Yeah. It looks way taller.
It
but
looks way taller.
I mean,
look at all that ground clearance.
That's
Jesus.
very nice. We gained what, 8 inches of ground clearance almost?
Well, we got to measure it because we were taking
yeah,
bets,
right.
remember?
What were we at? 7
So
on the floor before?
I think we were
was 7?
7 inches of clearance.
Oh, and I said 11.
I said 11.5.
11.5. Let's sit to the center line.
Oh my god, it's almost
Yeah.
like 13.
Actually, 15.
15 inches of clearance.
15.5.
Wow.
That's crazy. We were at 7?
Yeah.
Literally doubled.
Yeah. I mean, you could drag this thing through freaking hell and back now.
Even like this stuff. Like this is even high.
Yeah.
Wow.
Interesting. They should build them like this from the factory.
They should. They should give you the option, actually.
I mean,
that should be like an option.
It should be. Well, I've seen a lot of like dual axle Jaycos and stuff.
Yeah.
Like big trailers. And they're set up for going out on the beach, and they're set up like this.
That's true because they're so long, they need the ground clearance
Yep.
for when they're making. That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. So maybe,
We'll give it a try. We'll see how it drives.
Yeah.
You can always flip it back.
Yeah, we'll take it for
This is winter mode.
That's right.
This is off-road
right.
mode,
That's
and
right.
then in the summer you could flip it back and make
So-
it be a Cadillac.
That's what I should do, right? So like put it back to the other way for my trip to where I'm going.
Yep.
And then when I get to like the technical like off-road spot,
We'll
I'll just
flip
pull
it.
over,
Jack
jack it up, take the
flip
wheels off, flip the axle, go into where I'm going,
and then flip it back.
and then flip it back on the way home.
No, what you need is airbags.
Airbags would be
Airbags would be sick.
more solution.
They would be sick. I like it.
Yeah.
Let's leave it like this for the winter. We'll drag it down the trails.
Yeah.
I mean, this is nice now.
It is. I was a little skeptical at first, but then when I get underneath it, I'm like, that is kind of nice.
That's true. Well, it's only 1.5 inches. It feels like a lot.
1.5 inches is huge.
1.5 inches is
It's
enormous.
enormous.
You gotta spray it though. Yeah, you gotta spray this thing.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah.
All right, let's do an outside measurement. So, I mean, it was like 17 and change before. Where's that tape measure? Oh,
Right where I left it.
right where you left. Oh yeah, you were using it last. It was like 17 and change before on the front. The driveway's a little funky too. 17, 18,
19 and change.
and a half.
19 and change.
17, 18, 19 and a half.
Was that 2?
Not bad.
What else did we measure before? Did we measure the back of the trailer?
Yeah, but it was all kind of all over the place because and also it's tough to get a level too.
It is. It is tough.
Everything's a little cockeyed.
Okay.
And also we got to take it for a ride and loosen up the shackles a little bit,
Do a
let
hot
everything
torque.
come back. What's that?
hot torque.
Hot torque.
Okay.
No, but they all need to relax again, and also because the leaf pack was completely discharged of pressure.
Mhm.
It has to re-find itself.
Yeah.
They have to slide.
I gotta get in their happy
Right.
little home.
They have to get
They're
back
happy
into their
little home.
house. But yeah, no, this is sick. Yeah, that's awesome. You drag this thing anywhere now.
Literally.
Yeah, it's weird. When you look at it at different angles, it looks small, it looks big. The-
It's gonna tower over the bus. Actually, it might be close to the same height as the bus.
I think it is.
Right?
Let's measure the top.
Yeah.
What's the top?
497 plus 3, 100.
100 inches. That's just over 8.
Just over 8. Yeah.
Oh, you're not hitting any overpasses.
As long as another 13.
And then when we do a 5-inch lift on the bus, it's gonna be the bus will
Yeah.
break the wind.
It's probably the same height as the bus, actually.
Right now, yeah, probably. I have to check that. Wow.
Okay, let's get this thing.
Let's get her all
Together.
torqued down and take her for a ride.
Yeah.
Take her for a
Yeah.
drive. Got all our tools cleaned up.
Yep.
Got everything battened down.
I ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere.
It looks so
It
tall.
looks so big, but then when you
looks
step
so tall.
back, it's like,
It looks huge from the back.
no.
Yeah, it looks huge. Look at this thing.
Nah. Yeah, this is a good angle. Wow, there's a lot of clearance. It looks like there's not even an axle in
No,
it.
it doesn't. It's got portals. I'm gonna start telling people it's got portals.
Yeah, it's got portal.
It's nose down.
It is. My truck squatted a little bit.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to jack it again and move the position. But also the leaf springs need to reset themselves, and we got to drag it over some bumps.
I was gonna say it'll probably make better gas mileage now because now it's not a giant axle in the middle. It's higher. It's tucked away.
The 3 inches of round axle is what was putting you over the edge.
It's tucked away.
All right, let's take this thing for a ride. See how she feels. Okay.
Oh yeah, it looks good. Yeah, that's sweet.
Look at the door.
It's so high.
You have to like.
No, you just need a step stool. Stop being so sensitive.
Oh, I didn't realize. Take it easy, because I didn't realize the microwave's up top.
Oh,
It's not bolted in or anything. Good thing I did not shut.
We didn't
that.
even lock the door.
I never do. Oh, nah, let it rock. Let it rip.
Now looks good. Looks slick. Yeah, that's good. Cool.